Students, in today's class we will discuss about the preparation of amines. Okay, so in previous class also already we discussed the few methods. So today we will discuss the one very important method, that is the reduction of nitrile. Okay, so this is a Mendeus reaction. So reduction of nitrile group, you know students, nitrile is nothing but cyanide group. Okay, so just I have taken one general reaction here, RC triple bond N. So you know that in a cyanide group CN, carbon and nitrogen always having the triple bond. Okay, C triple bond N. This is what alkyl nitrile, or we can say it is a alkyl cyanide also. Okay, so when this reaction undergoes reduction in the presence of nickel. So nickel here act as a catalyst, and in presence of NaHG. NaHG is nothing but sodium amalgam, and in the presence of ethyl alcohol. So this ethyl alcohol here act as a solvent. Okay, student. So you know that reduction is nothing but addition of hydrogen. So here I am taking the 2H2 means total how many hydrogen? 4H. Okay. So just see here, out of this 4H, 2 hydrogen going to be attached to this carbon. Okay, so then what happened? So this pi bond going to be shift now. Okay. So now this carbon convert into the CH2, and remaining 2 hydrogen attached to this nitrogen, then it convert into the NH2. So simply here we will get the amine RCH2 NH2. Now clear? So alkyl nitrile undergoes reduction. So in the presence of nickel and sodium amalgam. Okay. So what we get here? Here we will get an amine. Okay, students. So now we will discuss one example. Here I have taken the methyl cyanide, or you can see it is a nitromethane. Okay, nitrile methane. So cyanide is nothing but nitrile groups. CS3C triple bond N. We can see it is a methyl cyanide. Okay, it undergoes reduction. For reduction, I am taking the 4 hydrogen here, 2H2, and in the presence of nickel, so here nickel acts as what? Catalyst, and in presence of sodium amalgam, NaHG, and same ethyl alcohol we can use as a organic solvent here. So just see how reaction will carry now. So out of this 4 hydrogen atom, so total 4H is there. So out of 2 hydrogen going to be attached to this carbon, then this pi bond going to be shifted, and remaining 2H going to attach to this nitrogen. And simply here we get CH3, CH2, NH2. This CH3 as it is, then this carbon converted into CH2 because 2 hydrogen is attached, and this nitrogen converted into the NH2. Simply we get a ethyl amine. Now clear, students? So in exam, how they will ask the question? How we convert ethyl amine by using the methyl cyanide. Okay? So this is what reduction method. So we can say it is a Mendeus reaction also. So in NEET and JEE exam, most of the time they are asking the in series of reaction they are asking this question. Okay, see the another reaction. So this is the second method, reduction of amine. So you know the students, amine, what is the general formula of amine? RC double bond ONH2. Okay, so amine, it containing the carbonyl group and amine as a functional group. When carbonyl group is joined with amine, so you can see it is a amine. Okay, it is also one of the organic compound. So by using this amine, you have to prepare the amine. Okay, very simple mechanism this one. So it is also reduction process. So but here we can use the different reducing agent. So here I am using the lithium aluminum hydride. So LiAlH4 is nothing but lithium aluminum hydride. This is a strong reducing agent. Just see here, I am taken the amide RC double bond ONH2. This is a general reaction amide. Okay, plus 2H2, 4 hydrogen. Actually, these 4 hydrogen coming from this lithium aluminum hydride because it contains the 4 hydride atoms. Okay, so this 4 hydrogen coming from this reducing agent. This is a strong reducing agent. So it undergoes hydrolysis also. So see students, what happened now? So out of these 4 hydrogens, 2 hydrogen going to be attached to this carbon. Then what happened? This bond will be shift, bond will break, and this oxygen and remaining 2 hydrogen H2 will ring. Now clear? Very simple. Okay, the bond will be breaking from here. 2 hydrogen going to be attached here. RCH2 NH2. Okay, so simply we get what? Amine. So by using amide, you get a amine. See one general reaction. So I am taken here acetamide. Okay, just I am taken this alkyl group. Instead of R, I am taken the CH3. CH3C double bond O NH2. This is what? Acetamide. Okay, so when this acetamide undergoes reduction, same reducing agent we can use here, lithium aluminum hydride. So from that lithium aluminum hydride, 4 hydrogen will come. So I am taken the 2H2 means 4 hydrogens. Out of this 4 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen going to attach to this carbon. Then this bond will shift and bond also break. And these remaining 2 hydrogen and this oxygen, H2 will remove. And what we get here? CH3, CH2, NH2. Simply we get a ethyl amine. So in exam, how they will ask the question? How will you convert ethyl amine by using the acetamide. Okay students, so this is the reduction of amide by using the lithium aluminum hydride. Sometime in NEET exam how they will give, so just they are given the reactions and they are right here product A, identify the product A in above reaction. Okay, so you just remember when lithium aluminum hydride is there, obviously it is a reducing reaction. So how reduction takes place? Already 4 hydrogen is there, so you just remember out of this 4 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen attached to this carbon and this oxygen and remaining 2 hydrogen H2 will remove. Okay, simply this carbonyl group convert into the CH2 group. Remember students what I am saying, this carbonyl group C double bond O convert into CH2. Okay, no need to solve in exam. Okay, whenever they will ask you JEE as well as NEET exam, this is one hint. Whenever this carbonyl group amide is there and lithium aluminum hydride is there, so what is the hint? So you consider this carbonyl group, it convert into the methylene group, that is a CH2 group. Okay, so in next method we will discuss now. Okay students, now we will discuss the another very important method to prepare the amine, that is a Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis. Okay students, just see Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis. By using this process we have to prepare only aliphatic primary amine, not a aromatic amine. So by using this process we can prepare only aliphatic primary amine. Okay, remember by using the thalamide. Okay, so this is the structure of thalamide: benzene ring C double bond O, NH again C double bond O. This is what thalamide. Okay, so see students how this series of reaction takes place. So first this thalamide reacts with KOH, potassium hydroxide. So what happened here? So easily this is a nucleophilic substitution reaction here takes place. So what happened here? This OH minus and this H plus. Okay, so easily H2 will remove like this. H2 will remove and this K will attach here. So minus H2O. So here we will get a K. Only this hydrogen we can remove and then we can substitute this potassium. And this OH and this H minus H2. H2 will remove and simply here we will get potassium thalamide. Okay students, remember. So here I am removing this hydrogen and only substituting this potassium. So what we will get here? Potassium thalamide. Again this potassium thalamide reacts with alkyl halides. We can take any alkyl halides here. I am taken general reaction RX. So okay, so how this reaction takes place? So now in this case only this alkyl group will attach here. Okay, so because this nitrogen has a lone pair of electrons, this alkyl group will attach and this X and this K minus KX is removed. Okay, so simply here we will get a N-alkyl thalamide. Means here potassium is removed and there we can substitute the R group, means alkyl group. This is a series of reactions. Simply here we will get alkyl thalamide. Okay students, and minus KX, this K and this X minus KX is removed, we will get an N-alkyl thalamide. Now in another process we can do the hydrolysis. Okay, how hydrolysis takes place? In the presence of NaOH. So here I am writing aqueous NaOH. Aqueous means this NaOH you can dissolve in water. So that's why you can see it is a hydrolysis process. So here I am taking the 2 NaOH molecule I am taken here. So N-alkyl thalamide undergoes hydrolysis. So just see students how the reaction takes place. The bond will be breaking from here and here. So two side bond will break. Okay, that's why I am taken the 2 NaOH here. So simply what happened now? This ONA group. How many ONA are there? ONA. How many there? 2 times. This 2 ONA and hydrogen 2H. So what happened? This ONA group, 2 ONA, 1 ONA group is attached to this carbonyl carbon. The bond will break ONA and here also 1 ONA group will attach and then remaining hydrogen, 2 hydrogen going to attach to this N. So it converts into the RNH2. Just see, we will get a 1 degree amine RNH2. This R, this nitrogen, the bond will break from here and here. So out of this, from this 2 NaOH, 2 hydrogen is attached here. It converts into an NH2. And then ONA group, 1 ONA is attached here and 1 ONA is attached here. The bond will breaking from here and here. Simply, we will get a 1 degree amine and here we will get a this compound benzene C double bond O, this C double bond O, and this ONA group will join here. ONA here also ONA. So the main product of this reaction is what? 1 degree amine. Okay, remember students, we will get here 1 degree amine. So by using the same reaction, if you want to prepare the methylamine CH3NH2. Okay, this is methylamine. If you want to prepare this methylamine by using the Gabriel-Thalamide process, how we can do this reaction? Very simple students. Remaining process will same. Instead of this RX, here we can take the CH3Cl or CH3Br. Any alkyl group or any halogen will take. Then you will check it. Then this instead of this R, CH3 will be there. Here also. Here CH3 is there, then bond is break, hydrolysis takes place, then CH3 NH2. You get what? Methylamine. If you want to prepare ethylamine, you just take the ethyl chloride. Now clear student, this is a Gabriel phthalimide synthesis, and this is very important reaction for JEE as well as NEET exam. So many times they are asking this question in JEE. So you just try to solve this reaction. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.